Carly, conversations turn into back and forth pointing fingers, not able to resolve or not feeling heard. Hmm. Yeah, either you or both of you need to look at things objectively a little bit. I can also recommend you an audiobook by Thich Nhat Hanh called Art of Communication. And he basically speaks, I don't know if I spelled it right, he basically speaks about acknowledging other people's suffering and making sure that they are seen, and then you will be seen as well. So maybe when you talk with your partner, let him speak everything he has, and then tell him, I acknowledge your suffering. I see that you are suffering. And in your own mind, you're telling yourself, it has nothing to do with me. You're suffering because of your own life. But I see that you are suffering. And I understand. And I acknowledge it. Do you see that I'm suffering as well? And then when you both have that perspective of this is not going anywhere, we're both just, like you say, pointing fingers, then it can be a little bit more objective. Then it can be a little bit more distant to have these conversations where you have solutions instead of just pointing fingers. And usually when we point fingers is that because we don't point fingers at our own life. So also, like, you can resolve that relationship. You can change and he can change. But it's very important that you take ownership of all of your mistakes and all of your responsibilities, and he has to do the same. So I'm in a long-term relationship, and every time we thought that it's not going anywhere further, we're not good for each other, blah blah, whatever, the regular, oh, we're not meant to be, whatever. No, you know what the solution was? I needed to look at my own bullshit, and she needed to look at her own bullshit. What am I not looking at my own life, totally unrelated to her? What am I not doing? Am I not exercising enough? Am I not taking care of my health? Am I not being responsible towards my responsibilities? Am I saying one thing, doing another? Is she saying one thing, doing another? Is she taking care of her health, taking care of her other relationships with her parents, with her brothers? And then when I started fixing my shit and she started fixing her shit, suddenly, tada, there's more energy. There's more energy for, like, I own my life, she owns her life, and then she's happier, and then I'm happier. And then if we come together, there's no finger pointing. Finger pointing is always, you are the one to blame for my life, but it's never someone else's fault for your own life. So if I'm pointing a finger at you, you are to blame for my life. There is something in my life I'm not looking at. There is something under my rug that I have perpetually put under my rug, and I'm just being triggered by the other person. And so also your partner is gonna point fingers at you. You are the one causing all this bullshit in my life. No, okay, like maybe, but maybe like 5%. The 95% is he is in that state. So for being triggered and for finger pointing, there always has to be two people. And if you are triggered, it means something is, like, you're not, like, a happy person, a content person is not gonna get mad at others. Because, like, if I'm living my life, if I have my career, I have my friends, I'm on top of my health, I'm on top of my diet, my exercise, everything. If I am in full responsibility of my life, I'm not gonna ever finger point someone else. It's because of you my life is bullshit. because I know it's not. I know that everything that happens to me is my own responsibility. And then, but if another person goes around, you know, like, why is this happening to me? It's your fault, it's your fault, it's your fault. Nah. It's my fault. I'm not exercising, eating healthy, talking to people, calling my parents. I feel guilty not calling my parents. I feel guilty not calling my siblings. I feel unfulfilled at my current job, but I'm not gonna actually do anything about it. I'm just gonna complain and then finger point. So really go deep with your partner and start with your own bullshit. Start the conversation with, this is where I was wrong. This is what I needed to do. This is what I'm gonna do better. And then when you say what you are gonna do better, then you ask, can you tell me what your bullshit is? Can you tell me what you're gonna do better? Not for me, but for yourself. Because we don't have to do much for other people if we are doing enough for ourselves. If I'm doing me and my partner is doing her, it's enough that I just take care of my life. She takes care of her life, her health, her business, her everything. And if we just come in a room together, it's gonna be love. It's gonna be amazing because I'm on top of my game, she's on top of her game, and the love is just overflowing because I have filled my own cup with confidence, responsibilities. I do the things I know I have to do, and then there's no triggering, there's no blaming. We're both grounded. We had our exercise, we had our healthy food, we did our business. We talked to all the important people we talked to. We went into nature, got a lot of fresh oxygen. We're good. There's nothing there. There's no substance for argument. But if she does her stuff, and today I haven't gone for a walk, I haven't exercised, I missed my Insight Timer Live, I missed an appointment with my clients, I haven't eaten anything healthy, and then she did all those things, and we come together, I'm gonna be like, and then she's gonna be like, oh, shall we play cards? What are we gonna do? And I'm gonna be like, oh, what do you want to play? It has nothing to do with her. It has to do with me not owning my bullshit. So that's always one part of the story. I always give you two parts. One part is, where are you not responsible for your own life? Where is your partner not being responsible for his own life? And the other part is gentleness. Like, talk to your partner in a way, I see that you're suffering. Like, what can I do for you? Ask him questions so he lowers his defenses. If you are both pointing fingers, be the one that retracts the finger first and becomes gentle first and offers compassion first. And then if that doesn't work for like 15 times in a row, then ta-da! Christine says, just saying hi and already got a good word. Sending love and light to all. Thank you, Christine. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses, Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other Human Design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch web shop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.